As you saw in the video that I opened the BMW, you saw that the battery's dead. So I could not charge it. I could not jump start it, so I bought a new battery. I'm going to show you how to replace it. So we're going to do the first step again. We need to open the car, pop up the trunk. So on the right side of your trunk you should find a cover which you can remove or you can put on the side. My car is scratched, so you don't have much, like you have paper here. I don't even know why this isn't there, but so basically you should have a 10mm, and let's put it on the open. So I'm gonna remove the terminals. First you always do the negative, the minus, which I mean it can be different, but it's usually the black. It doesn't mean if it's right or left side, but it should be the closest to the outside. Took it out, and then the positive. Take it out. If you're touching the positive pole, do not touch your car, because just in case that's negative. There you go. I'm gonna try to pry this up. So you just saw it came out. Put on the side. So that was a 10mm. I'm gonna put up here. You can get a. So this is a 13mm. I'm gonna take it. I'm using this, but you can use it by hand. I'm just saving time. There you go. And so with that out, you just take this top part, and there you go. Battery is free to get out of there. Sometimes this can be tricky because they are super heavy. This one is frozen in place. Oh wow, there's ice in there. And my car is scratched, so you can see in here it's very close. So I need to kind of wiggle it out, and I have the tool to push it out. I just didn't do that yet. There you go. Okay, so this is out. I have cubes of ice in here. This is not good at all. I guess I'll need to get this kind of vacuumed. There's a mix of water and stuff, so I can definitely not leave there. Let me get the new battery. And as you see, I got a different battery because it was because it was super cheap, and this is my drift car, so I didn't want to, you know, get too fancy for now. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit there. And we also have all the water, so I need to get rid of that water, but for now I'm going to install and show you. Okay, so the battery is 94R, and that's what you do. And I'm gonna get this one negative on the trunk of the car. So you see, here's the trunk, this is outside, and the plus on the other side. Don't remove that. Move the negative cable to the side, and also the other one. There's no power on the cable, so it doesn't quite matter. I'm gonna try to Put that in there. Let's hope I can fit in there. Oh, there's a wire here. I don't want to break anything. There you go. Oh man, I need this little space. If you look up here, this is crashed. You see that's in here. This is pushed inside. So I need this little space here back so I can fit my battery in. Alright. So I managed to take some of that stuff there out of there. Oh, there's some more to go. Well, I might do that later. So forget about this part. This is a special for my car, so I need to run this car anyway. So you put negative first, and then you go to the positive. There you go. Oh, battery's in. And this goes in there like that. So first thing, you take this thing that keeps bothering us there out of there, put this right in here and screw this in there, screw this in here. I'll leave this for some other time, but basically I'm going to screw those guys here because nobody wants to see this getting loose and hitting the walls here. There you go. So just tie them some. I need to fix my car before that battery goes in there. But if you want to replace the battery, that's it. Take the negative first, so you isolate the whole car, then you take the positive and put the positive first and then the negative, which means the black and the red. That's it. Yeah, sorry for the crashing inconvenience. Ooh, my car opens and everything. So let's see if it cranks, because it's been so cold here. As you see, this is not a conventional BMW. I have like racing seats and stuff. And ooh, oh, now feels strong. I can hear that pump. Yes, boy! Yeah! Sparta! Right on. So, just if you're curious, I was using this here that I've never used this tool, and this tool was pushing. That's what it does. It extends, and this extending, I was using my tire here and this part, and I was extending this between those and it was stretching. So I'm gonna fix all of this later in some video, I mean, of course not today. If you see, it's getting dark, it's time for me to get inside the house, and it's cold out here, snow tonight, but I'll do that some other day and make a video, because this is super interesting. I mean, you pay $100 on that thing, and how much I would pay to fix that, you know. I don't care very much because it's my drift car, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but I want to be nice. All right, so I keep saying all right, so, but all right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my blog, www.carmodsgarage.com. All right, thanks for watching. Later.